Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Facebook not working. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first process you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for is Facebook down, and you need to open the first website. So if you see a huge spike here, so it means that Facebook is currently down and the Facebook team is working on that to fix that issue. So that's why you Facebook is not working for you. And the second method, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and update your Facebook application from here. And the third method you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings, go into the app management, go into the app list and search for the Facebook. And here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and you need to restart your smartphone and log in into your Facebook again. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.